2011 Kia Sportage. We're going to take out the radio and replace with a new radio. First thing you're going to do is there are two clips, plastic clips on each side. So one's like that. So you pull that out. There's another one on this side. There are Phillips screws there. I'm going to remove them. Once you have them out, these side panels come out. Be careful, this dash is kind of hard plastic. Easy to make marks on it. So we're going to do the same thing on this side. This driver's side, right here by the center, there is a vinyl leather that goes under like this to cover the gap between this one to the dashboard. So we're just gonna lift it open like this to get to the screws right here on the side. Otherwise, you would have to remove this bottom, top, remove this. We don't need to do that. Our goal is to remove the radio, so we're just gonna lift it out like this so we can access the screw underneath. Once you have these two screws out on both sides, this panel comes out and disconnect. Now most of them, especially Nissan, if you disconnect the airbag indication, the airbag light will come on the dash. So best thing to do is disconnect the negative side of the battery so you don't have to deal with resetting. We do have a computer to reset the airbag, so we don't care. So once you disconnect these two, now you can access the four screws here. Again, if you don't want to deal with the airbag indication coming on the dash, disconnect the battery under the hood, and that's going to prevent the airbag indication light to come on the dash. Okay, as you can see, we were able to remove the dash just partially like this to gain the space for the screws for the panel here, then 4 screws. And once you do that, disconnect all these harnesses, and now you can remove the radio. These are snug. This thing's supposed to push it down right here to release. One's a satellite. I believe this one is the regular radio antenna. This is the Metra dash kit. This one. You have to transfer the airbag indication on the top. Remove the screws. There should be 4 screws on the top. Install all 4 screws. Push this as a switch inward, pulls out forward. Exactly that. The interface plug is very simple to do. Match the colors. White to white, green to green. Match the colors. Whatever don't match, don't use. And he's trying to find out which one's a dimmer wire. It's the orange wire. That's the dimmer. So when you turn that lights on, this place gets dimmer. If your car is amplified, be sure to connect this blue white, which is amp turn on, to the amp turn on the car side. These are the side mounts. The interface plug is very simple to do. Match the colors. White to white, green to green. Match the colors. Whatever don't match, don't use. And he's trying to find out which one's a dimmer wire. That's in the fuse box.